The brain is simply what mental activity looks like when observed from the outside. So you don't even get to, oh, then mental activity creates the brain. Well, in a sense, yes, but it's not deliberate. It's not an act of creation. It's a spontaneous thing. The brain is what mental processes look like. It's the appearance of it. It's like asking, does combustion create flames? Well, flames are what combustion looks like, right? It's much more immediate and spontaneous than this talk of creation. So under analytic idealism, the brain is simply what the mind looks like. And all empirical evidence is consistent with it. You mess up with the brain, that's the appearance of a mental process messing up with another mental process. Now, on the dashboard, it looks like a scalpel cutting into a brain, or you taking a pill that messes up with your conscious inner life, like an antidepressant or a psychedelic. All these material processes are the appearances of causal mental chains from mind to mind, because mind is all that exists under analytic idealism.
What is matter, according to analytic idealism? Because, I mean, if you take physics these days, also matter is something different than what I learned as matter. The little balls, you know, electrons and stuff like that at school.
That's over a century outdated, yeah.
Thank you. We still teach it at school, right?
Yeah. Under analytic idealism, matter is always, in all cases, without exception, without a single exception, matter is always what mind looks like. The variety of matter represents the appearance of the variety of mental states and mental dynamics. So the brain is what your mental inner life looks like. The inanimate universe is what the mental inner life of mind at large looks like. Matter is always what mental states look like under analytic idealism. Now, does the physicist need to believe it? Not really. The physicist works in the realm of appearances, because that's what we can observe empirically. Now, we are pilots that were born in an airplane dashboard, in an airplane cockpit, without windows, only with a dashboard. We have always only flown by instruments, which is possible. You know, pilots can fly by instruments alone. They don't need a transparent window to see what's going on. The dashboard is enough. So we were born in that cockpit without windows. All we have ever had was the dashboard.